Preparation: choose high-quality hard wax. Hard wax is ideal for sensitive areas like the bikini line. It's less painful and pulls hair directly from the roots without sticking to the skin. Clean and dry the skin. Wash the area thoroughly with mild soap to remove oil and dirt. Pat dry with a clean towel to ensure the wax adheres properly. Test the wax temperature. Heat the wax to a honey-like consistency and test on your wrist to ensure it's not too hot. Trim hair to the right length. Hair should be about a 1/4 inch long. Use scissors or a trimmer. To avoid discomfort during waxing, use baby powder. Dust a light layer of baby powder over the area. This absorbs excess moisture, preventing the wax from slipping. Application tips: apply in the direction of hair growth. Spread the wax evenly, ensuring it covers the hair completely. Work in small sections for better control. Pull opposite to hair growth. Hold the skin taut and remove the wax strip or hardened wax in one swift motion. Work in small sections. Smaller areas allow for precise application, minimizing pain and reducing missed spots. Avoid overlapping. Do not wax over the same area multiple times in one session to prevent irritation or burns. Pain management: use a numbing cream. Apply numbing cream 30 minutes before waxing to desensitize the area. Ice for pain relief. Place an ice pack on the skin for a few seconds before waxing to dull the pain. Breathe and relax. Deep breaths and a calm mindset help reduce the perception of pain. Taut skin is key. Keep the skin stretched tight during the pull to reduce discomfort and ensure a clean removal. Aftercare: soothe with aloe vera. Apply aloe vera gel immediately after waxing to reduce redness and irritation. Avoid heat and sweat. Refrain from hot showers, saunas, or intense workouts for 24–48 hours post-waxing. Exfoliate after 2 days. Gently exfoliate to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. Moisturize daily. Hydrated skin recovers faster and remains smooth for longer. Use fragrance-free lotions to avoid irritation. Wear loose clothing. Opt for loose, breathable fabrics to avoid friction on freshly waxed skin, preventing ingrown hairs. Use a salicylic acid product. Apply a salicylic acid-based serum to keep pores clear and prevent ingrown hairs. Avoid touching the area. Resist the urge to touch or scratch the waxed area to avoid introducing bacteria. Stick to a regular routine. Wax every 4–6 weeks. Regular waxing weakens hair follicles, making regrowth finer and waxing less painful over time. Troubleshooting and final tips: handle stray hairs with tweezers. Don't wax over missed spots multiple times. Instead, gently pluck stray hairs. Practice makes perfect. DIY waxing takes practice. Start with less sensitive areas to build confidence before attempting a full Brazilian. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.